Good morning, children. Now today we are going to discuss atomicity. What is atomicity, children? In last class I have told you atoms, they exist may or may not independently. If they are existing independently means they are alone, single. Such atoms are called monoatomics. What do we call them? Monoatomic. Mono means one atom. Example of monoatomics are helium, neon, sodium, potassium, etc. So all these are what? Monoatomic. Now some atoms, they do not exist independently. They combine with other atom and they form molecule. So some, they combine with two atoms combined, and such when two atoms are there we call them diatomic. What do we call them? Diatomic. Examples of diatomic are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. Here hydrogen exists independently when two atoms are joined together. Nitrogen exists independently when two atoms are joined together. Children, in some cases 3 atoms and 4 atoms are there, like in case of 4, like phosphorus, it cannot stay, the atom of phosphorus cannot stay alone, not 2. Okay, it is what? Tetraatomic. Means 4 atoms. When 4 atoms are there, it is what? Tetraatomic. Now children, we are coming to chemical formula. So atomicity is clear. When 2 atoms are there, single atom is there, exist independently, we call that monoatomic. When 2 atoms are there, diatomic, and when 3 triatomic, 4 are there, tetraatomic. Now come to the chemical formula. Children, chemical formula. What is chemical formula? When we write any compound like CO2, this is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. Okay. So what is chemical formula? The representation of molecule of a compound using chemical symbols. These are symbols. Carbon is symbol, oxygen is symbol. Of its constituent element is called chemical formula. Children, it is very difficult to write down full name like carbon dioxide. It is very long. Carbon dioxide. It is very long. So what do we use? Chemical formula. This is small. When we do the chemical, we write the chemical equations and all. That time we use chemical formula. I am going to tell you some common chemical formula like common salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. This is what? Common salt. This is the formula of common salt. Next is hydrochloric acid, HCl. What is this? Hydrochloric acid. And more formulas I am going to tell you. Calcium carbonate. You must have heard. Here calcium is there, carbon is there, oxygen is there, sulfuric acid, H2SO4 is there. Okay, and nitric acid is there. Next, acetic acid is there. These are the chemical formulas. So why we write chemical formula? It makes our study easy when we write chemical equations and all, that it is easy to write. Children, you know we can make the chemical formula. You can also make the chemical formula. How are you able to make the chemical formula? To make the chemical formula of a compound, okay, we know the constituent elements. Constituent elements means what? Which elements have been used in that chemical. Suppose I am talking about water, which constituents are there? Hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. And second thing, we must know about their valency. First, we know constituents. Then we must know their valency. Two things are very important. Constituent you can come to know by learning the table of symbols. Second, the table 4.4 is given. In that, valency of certain elements are given. So you learn that also. Okay, both the thing you learn, then it is very easy for you to make the formula. I am going to tell you how to make the formula. There are simple steps. Okay, suppose we are making carbon dioxide. First step is we are going to write down the constituent. This is the first step. Second step is we are going to write down their valency. What is the valency of carbon? Valency of carbon is 4 and valency of oxygen is 2. Third step is we are going to cross the valencies. We are going to cross the valencies. We are going to write this C at the base of this C. This 2 we are going to write down at the base of arrow here. Okay. This 2 we are going to write at the base of C. And this 4 we are going to write down at the base of 4. Fourth step is you see that 2 and 4 are written. They are divisible, yes or no? These two numbers are divisible. What is the common number in them? 2. Okay. We can divide both the number by 2. If we divide this 2 to what will be there? 1. And divide it, then 2. Okay. Children, 1 we never write. 1 valency we never write. So the formula is what? CO2. You do practice in your notebook. Now second, I am going to tell you. You take the example. More valencies are giving carbon, hydrogen, water. First step, constituent you have written of water. What are the constituent of water? Hydrogen and oxygen. Second step, what is the valency of hydrogen? 1. What is the valency of this? 2. Third step, you cross this. This will go there and this at the base of this. What are you going to write down? H2O1. As I told you, 1 we never write because this represent 1. Okay. This is 1 already. So is this clear how to make chemical formula? More formula I am going to make for you. Potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. Children, first you learn the table of symbol. What is first step? Potassium chloride. What are the constituents? Potassium. Potassium, this is K. Why P? The chemical starts, the name of the chemical starts with P, but we are writing K here because its Latin name, we get the symbol from its Latin name, Kalium. Okay. Chlorine. Potassium chloride, second is chlorine, and the symbol of chlorine is Cl. Okay. Now you write down their second step, their valencies. 1 valency of potassium is 1, valency of chlorine is 1. Cross third step. Now write down. We do not write 1 here, we do not write 1 here. So what is the formula? KCl. Now next is common salt, sodium chloride. Common salt constituent NaCl. Second step, valency 1, valency 1. Third step, cross it. Both the side 1 will come, but we will not write, as we know this atom represent 1. Okay, so this is the formula of NaCl, sodium chloride, and we also call it common salt. Now calcium chloride. Next is calcium chloride. First step, calcium, symbol of calcium is Ca. Symbol of chloride is Cl. Second, valency of calcium 2. Valency of chlorine 1. Third step, cross it. Ca 1 we will not write, and Cl2. So this is what? Calcium chloride, CaCl2. One more I am going to tell you, sodium oxide. Sodium, symbol of sodium is Na. Same thing, name is sodium, but in place of S, the symbol, what is the symbol? Na means this chemical name has taken from its Latin name. What is it? Latin name? Natrum. Okay, Na, oxygen. Sodium oxide I am making, so sodium plus oxygen. What is the valency of sodium? 1. What is the valency of oxygen? 2. Third step, cross it. Na, 2 will come this side. O, 1 we will not write. Okay children, so I have told you today how to make what? Chemical formulas. Clear children? Thank you.